Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can bring elements in front or to the back on your Wix website project in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the page here in the Wix website editor, and let's assume you would like, for example, to position an image behind or on top of a text box. Now this image should be transparent to show you the effect of it, but let's just assume I would like to position the image just behind the text box and make the text box and with the text overlap the image. In this case here you would need to position the image into the back. To do that, right click into it, hover your mouse over arrange and select one of these options. In this case here move backwards or even send to back, which is going to make that element the one in the very back. Alternatively, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift arrow down or Command-Shift if you're using a Mac. And now, as you can see, the text here is in the front and the image in the back. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.